Here I am again. I'm at another open house. This one is in La Mesa. And you know, I picked this home because it is more of a starter home, or it possibly could be a good rental property. It is in a great community of La Mesa, and the price is right for this particular type of home. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. It was built in 1944, so keep that in mind. It has 796 square feet, so it's kind of small. But again, like I said, I think that this would be a great starter home. So let's take a look at it, all right? Here we go. All right, last time the open house had these donuts that were amazing. So hopefully there's no donuts here. So like I said, this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. And I believe the paint is relatively new, kind of an olive. It's very, very sweet property. Like I said, it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, built in 1944 with nice vintage bath tiling, wood flooring, pop-out ironing board. That's retro. That would be cool. The roof, by the way, is only about a year old. Okay, so that's really good news about that. Okay, so as we come in, this is original hardware floors. Okay, I think this property has a really nice sweet feel about it. Now, there used to be, FYI, a fireplace right here, and the chimney is still intact as far as we know. So in case someone wanted to build in a fireplace, they could do so. Here's the kitchen area. Okay, so it talks about a new roof. It also talks about the property slope to be to the lower level at the back of the house. It's great views from the dining room and south bedroom, kitchen in the backyard near shops, restaurants, schools in downtown La Mesa. So kind of get an idea of the view that you have here from the kitchen. Is that not sweet? I think it's very, very nice. And that was, I guess, the dining room area. And then over here here's the 1 bath. You know, it may need to be updated a little bit, but again, it's priced right. Here's one of the bedrooms. It's a clean property. It's a very clean property, very well maintained. This is the other bedroom. Has plenty of light, plenty of windows, which is nice. And we believe that it is an excellent first starter home. Let's go in the back here for a minute, as long as I don't fall down the steps. And we're gonna check out the backyard. Okay, that's like a little, I guess, a storage, or looks like a table back there where people can actually have dinner if they wanted to. Now, in accordance to the agent, the property line goes all the way down here. It goes beyond the fence. So let's beyond the stairs here. So let's check it out. So that way you get an idea of the topography of the property as well. So there's the fence, if you can see it. And it's gated all the way up and around. So you clearly know where the property lines are. All right. And the roof is shingles, it's public sewer, and the water is metered, of course, on the property. has a floor furnace and natural gas. All right, so this gives you a good idea of the property in the backyard and how everything looks. If you have any questions, DM me or let me know. If you have a property that you'd like to look at but you're not able to get to because you're out of town or you're working, DM me, let me know. Let me see how I can possibly help you in your decision about possibly purchasing a home in the future. All right, so that's it for this tour here. We'll walk back up the back stairway into front and out the entrance.